Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to lock your iPhone screen using guided access. This feature is useful if you want to hand your phone to someone, watch a video without accidental touches, or temporarily lock your device to a single app. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, scroll down until you find Guided Access and tap on it. Turn on Guided Access and also make sure Accessibility Shortcut is enabled. This allows you to quickly start Guided Access by pressing the side button 3 times. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Once Guided Access is enabled, open the app where you want to lock the screen. For example, you might open YouTube, Safari, Photos, or any other app. Now, triple-click the side button. This will open the Guided Access setup screen. Tap on Options in the bottom left corner. Here, you can disable features such as touch input, keyboard access, volume buttons, motion, and other controls depending on how you want the screen to be locked. After selecting your preferred options, tap Done. Next, tap Start in the top right corner. You'll be asked to create a passcode for guided access. Enter your passcode and confirm it. Once guided access starts, the iPhone will remain locked inside the current app. Depending on the options you selected, users may not be able to touch the screen, leave the app, or access other features. To exit guided access, simply triple-click the side button again. Enter your guided access passcode, then tap End in the top left corner. Your iPhone will return to normal and you can use it as usual. That's it. You have successfully learned how to lock your iPhone screen using guided access. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.